A carbide burr tool is an important asset in shipbuilding repairs because it enables technicians to prepare weld joints, remove damaged metal, and perform precise structural restoration work on large marine vessels. Ships are constantly exposed to harsh environments, including saltwater, humidity, and mechanical stress, which can lead to corrosion, fatigue cracks, impact damage, and general wear over time. When repairs are needed, a carbide burr tool mounted on a high-speed die grinder allows shipyard workers to aggressively yet accurately remove compromised material, clean up damaged sections, and reshape metal surfaces so they are ready for welding or reinforcement. Its cutting ability is especially valuable on thick steel plating commonly used in hulls, bulkheads, and structural frames, where material removal must be both efficient and controlled. In weld joint preparation, a carbide burr tool plays a critical role in ensuring strong, reliable repairs. Before welding can be performed on damaged or worn areas, the metal must be properly cleaned and shaped to allow for full penetration and bonding. The carbide burr tool is used to remove rust, paint, corrosion, and irregular edges around the repair zone, creating a clean and properly beveled surface for welding. This helps ensure that new welds integrate effectively with the existing structure, restoring strength and structural integrity. Proper joint preparation is especially important in shipbuilding because weld quality directly affects the safety and durability of the vessel under heavy loads and ocean conditions. A carbide burr tool is also highly effective for removing damaged or weakened metal during structural repairs. Sections of a ship's hull or internal framework that have been compromised by corrosion or impact may need to be cut away and reshaped before replacement material is installed.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.